In this video, I will demonstrate how to analyze non-circular columns. In this tank, I have just finished running auto classification. As you can see, the software automatically identified all the columns for me. In this tank, the columns are non-circular. So what we need to do is redraw the column definitions so that uniTank can analyze them using the correct shape. So first, I need to delete the existing column definitions. Once I've done that, I need to redraw the column definitions by tracing their profiles using the polygon tool. I use a horizontal slice of data near the bottom of the tank that is representative of the entire column. I don't need to be super precise in my tracing, I just need to get the general shape correct. When I define the columns, I don't have to worry about the order. When I am done with all the columns, I can hit the Renumber Columns button and it will order the columns inward to outwards in a clockwise manner. If I select the counterclockwise order, uniTank will number them in a counterclockwise manner. Once I have run a column analysis, I can look in the output folder for the column charts. To the right of each chart, you will see a series of cross-sections. Take a look at these and ensure that uniTank has correctly detected the column twist. If you see large discontinuities in the deflection profiles near the bottom or top of each column, you may need to look at your column class data. Sometimes there are pedestals that have different shapes. Simply reclassify these areas to others, and then run column analysis again.